Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to record payment on Splitwise. Well, the first thing I want you to do is open up Splitwise. You can do this either on your desktop browser or the app on your phone. All you need to do is just locate the expense you want to record a payment for. So whether it's in your group or let's say it's with your friend here, you just click here on Settle Up, and then you can either record a cash payment or use the PayPal option for the payment method. I'll click on record a cash payment. You can choose the date when you made this payment, and then if you want, you can add an image or notes. So let's say you paid it via PayPal or Venmo, and then you can attach a screenshot as well or a reference number. Click here on done. And now for the amount, you can decide to make a full payment. So this one would be $1,500, or you can even make a partial payment as well. And then just click here on save, and there you go. It is saving. And now we only owe $500. So that is how you record payment on Splitwise.